If Pixlr is showing a rendering error, blurry canvas, blank screen, or weird display glitches, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Pixlr working properly again. These steps are simple, safe, and they usually solve the problem without needing to reinstall anything. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's fix it. First, we're going to turn on browser graphics acceleration. This is one of the most common reasons Pixlr has rendering problems because Pixlr relies heavily on your browser's graphics performance. Open your browser settings, then look for the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that switch on. After you enable it, click the relaunch button so your browser restarts with the new setting applied. Once it opens back up, try Pixlr again and see if the issue is gone. If the problem is still there, the next step is to override the software rendering flags. This sounds a little technical, but it's actually pretty easy. Go to the address bar in your browser and type Chrome/flags, then press enter. This will open your browser's experimental settings page. In the search box, look for Override Software Rendering List. When you find it, change the drop-down menu from Disabled to Enabled. After that, click Relaunch in the bottom right corner to restart the browser again. This setting can help your browser use your graphics card more effectively, which may solve Pixlr rendering issues. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is clearing Pixlr site data. Sometimes corrupted cookies or cached site files can cause display problems, login issues, or loading errors. First, go to the Pixlr website. Then click the menu icon directly to the left of the address bar where the site information is stored. From there, choose Cookies and Site Data. Next, select Clear Data. Once that's done, refresh the page and sign back into your Pixlr account. This gives you a clean session and removes any broken temporary data that may be causing the rendering error. If Pixlr still isn't working correctly after that, the next thing you should do is update your graphics processing unit drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are a very common cause of browser rendering problems, especially with creative tools like Pixlr that depend on hardware acceleration. Open your graphics card app or go directly to the official website for your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest drivers for your system, then restart your computer if prompted. Once the update is complete, reopen your browser and test Pixlr again. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the rendering issue. In many cases, the problem is just browser acceleration, corrupted site data, or outdated graphics drivers, so working through these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing it fast. If the issue is gone, awesome, you're back to editing. If not, try refreshing Pixlr one more time after every change, because sometimes the browser needs a full restart before the fix fully kicks in. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Pixlr rendering error quickly and get back to your work. If it did, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, fixes, and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.